Hey, what's up guys, it's TNT Games, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Sweatcoins on the Sweatcoin app. Sweatcoin is a really cool app that basically pays you for walking. Right now I'm just showing you the home screen and the stuff that you can buy with the Sweatcoin currency itself. I'll post a little bit more about the Sweatcoin app in a different video, but in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Sweatcoins from myself. And this is not a scam, totally legit. All you have to do is follow the steps in the description below as well as like and subscribe. So here is where you can buy all the products Sweatcoin has to offer after taking your steps. And people just don't want to walk and grind all those Sweatcoins. And as you can see, I have a lot of Sweatcoins in my balance. So I'll be able to just send you those Sweatcoins as long as you follow the 4 rules that I'll also have on screen as well as in the description below, as well as the link that you need to use in the description below. So all you're gonna have to do is right here. I just donated to somebody on Sweatcoin because I felt bad about the situation. So you can donate on Sweatcoin as well as buy stuff. So here I'm just showing you my own profile itself and how you're actually going to get the Sweatcoins. So as you can see on here, this is my list of all my followers who it's worked for. All of these people have actually use the steps that are in the description below and got free Sweatcoins. There's actually 619 of them, and they get 50 Sweatcoins per day. So it's very cool how it works, and I highly suggest that you use the steps so you can get Sweatcoins yourself. So here I'm just going to a random person and showing you that it is legit and sending them whatever 50 Sweatcoins just for being a subscriber or stuff like that. So make sure you guys do follow the steps in the description below as well as liking and subscribing if you do also want to get free Sweatcoins sent to you daily. It'll be 50 Sweatcoins every day. Just send me notifications if I forgot to do it, but I do have a bot to do it, so usually it does it every day. Just make sure you guys do follow all the steps in the description below. And I'm sweating Sweatcoins to this awesome subscriber right here, 50 a day. So that will accumulate as the month goes along. And hopefully you guys can buy some really cool stuff on Sweatcoin. But all you guys have to do is use my Sweatcoin link to make it possible. So make sure you guys do follow my Sweatcoin link. And here's my profile. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe and follow the steps below. Thanks.